Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, TCS NQT 2024 exam is on 15th of January. So each and every day, hour and minute is very, very important for you to crack this TCS examination, because most of the companies have said they are not going to visit the campuses this year. Friends, we have started Brahmastra series where we will be solving the current TCS question asked in TCS examination, so that you will get a real feel of the exam. So this particular screenshot is from the TCS exam, right? So all the questions which we will discuss will be from TCS previous year exam only, so that you don't face any difficulty in exam. So without wasting any time, let us start with the question number 1. So friends, this particular question is from the topic percentage, and most of the students were confused here. So that's the reason I have taken 2-3 questions on the similar pattern. I request all of you to please watch the video till the end, because you are going to learn a lot of tricks and method in this particular video. It will be definitely fruitful. Now, question number 1. The price of petrol goes up by 10%. By how much percent must a motorist reduce the consumption of petrol so that the expenditure on it remains unchanged? So earlier it was 100 and 10% increment means 110, but they want expenditure to remain same. So again from 110 it will become 100 rupees. So there is a reduction of 10 rupees on which value 110. You have to calculate percentage, multiply by 100. So 100 by 11 means around 9%, right? Okay. Now, so this solution, if you'll see, so this big solutions will be available. So this is for the third question on the internet or anywhere. Many of you will ask you to remember the formula, but my dear friends, mathematics is one of the subject where you need to understand the things, use the shortcut method tricks to solve the questions in the examination. Now, one question I will tell the solution, and after that you will be able to solve each and every question. Let us try to understand here. So the price of petrol goes up by 10%. So suppose earlier you were spending 100 rupees. Now the price is increased by 10%, right? So now you will have to spend 110 rupees, suppose, for 1 liter. But they are telling no, no, no. Don't increase your expenditure. Your expenditure should remain same. So 100 rupees only you have to spend on the petrol, even the price is increased. So you do not have to spend 110 rupees, you have to spend only 100 rupees. That means by what rupees you have to reduce? 10. And from where you have to reduce? 110. They are asking percentage, multiply by 100. Around 9% will be the answer. Now let us see question number 2. The price of sugar is increased by 20%. No, don't use any formula, don't use any long solution, right? So the price of sugar is increased by 20%. So earlier you were spending 100 rupees, now you will spend 120 rupees. But then again they are telling the expenditure, right? So expenditure should remain same. So I will not spend 120, I will spend 100 only. That means 20 rupees I should reduce, divided by 120. From where you have to reduce? 120 into 100. So this will be nothing but 100 by 6. That means 50 by 3. So around 16% will be the answer. Question number 3, right? So the price of a commodity has been increased by 60%. That means earlier you were spending 100 rupees, now 160 rupees. They wanted expenditure to be remain same. So from 160 you have to come to the 100 rupees. So now you can tell me the answer in the comment section, right? Because percentage means you have to multiply by 100. Tell me the answer for question number 3 in the comment section. And you always have to think in this way only. Do not complicate the aptitude problems. Okay. Now, question number 2. So friends, the question which we are doing today, this kind of questions will be frequently asked in your TCS NQT examination. Question number 2. A sum of P minus 500 at 20% per annum compounded annually for 2 years is amounted rupees P plus 3020. What is the value of P? Now many of you, when you will see the question, so P minus 500, P plus, so from there only you will get afraid. Friends, don't get afraid. Whatever data has been written in the question, first write it down. 50% of your question will get solved there itself. If you do not remember the formula also, no problem. Okay, in my class, friends, so whatever we will do here, You do not have to remember the formula. See, if you forget the formula, no problem. The basic concept, no, it will help you to solve all the problem. Trust me, only your basics you have to work. So P minus 500 rupees, okay? If you are investing at 20% per annum for 2 years, then the total money you will get is P plus 3020. Okay. Now, so I will tell you first by formula and then I will tell you by concept as well, so that it will be easy for you to understand, right? Okay, fine, no problem. So basically you have your principal, here, you know the rate, you know the time, and you know the amount, right? So if you're investing P minus 500 at 20% rate of interest for 2 years, compounded annually, compound interest, this is compound interest question, okay, compounded annually, then it will become P plus 3020. So formula is amount is equals to principal into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Amount is what? P plus 3020. Principal is what? P minus 500, and 1 plus rate. Rate is 20 divided by 100, time is 2. N is nothing but 2. So either you say N or T. So P plus 3020 and divided by P minus 500. So this 25. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 5 whole square. Okay. So P plus 3020 divided by P minus 500 will be equal to 36 by 25. Now, if you'll try to solve, right? So cross multiplication, if you'll do, your answer will be 8,500. So definitely, so here some kind of calculation is there. Okay, fine, no problem. So this is from the formula. If you remember the formula, well and good. If not, then we have the option attack method. Okay, so we will take options and then we will try to solve. So let us take option 1. So P I have assumed 8,500. So 8,500 minus 500 is equals to 8,000. Okay. Now, and here 8,500, right? Principal, which we have assumed option A we have taken, plus 3020. So 0 to 5, 11, 11,500. Okay. Now, friends, one thing you know, compound interest will be greater than simple interest. Okay. Compound interest will be greater than simple interest. Okay. We will calculate simple interest. So definitely compound interest will be little more than that. Now, so 8,000 rupees, 20% for 2 years. So 8,000 into 20 into 2 by 100. I am calculating simple interest. So it will be 33,200. That means if you are investing 8,500, okay, and in 2 years you will be getting simple interest is equals to 3,200. So it is nothing but 11,000. Okay, so no, so P minus 500, so basically 8,000, right? So 8,000. So it will be this is 0 to 11,200, right? Okay, so that means your compound interest will be little more than that, and it is there. That means option A will become the correct answer, right? Because see, the amount which you are investing, so amount how much you are investing, so 8,500 minus 500, so 8,000 rupees you are investing, okay, 20% per annum, 2 years. So with simple interest you are getting total amount after 2 years is, that means after 2 years bank will give you 11,200 simple interest. If it is compound interest, means definitely it will be more than that. That means this option which we have taken is correct. Okay, see, you do not have to do all those things because I am doing step by step, so you might feel the calculation is lengthy. Okay, otherwise, see, I can directly think. So 8,500 minus 500, 8,000. 8,000 20 into 240. So 8,000 into 40, it will be 3,200. 3,200 plus 8,000, 11,200. So that means yes, it is correct. So most of the things you can start doing in the mind if your basic is clear. Okay, now let us jump to the question number 3. Question number 3, you see, it's very easy, and all the problems has been asked in the TCS exam. Sam, Tom and John cover a certain distance. Their speeds at that times was the ratio. So a speed ratio is given. So a speed ratio is given. So I will take S1, S2, S3. Is 3 is to 4 is to 5. And they are asking time ratio. So time ratio will be opposite. If the distance is same, then the time ratio will become opposite. If you'll solve, you will be able to get the answer. Okay, now see, the only thing is your basic, I will solve it. The only thing is your basic should be proper. Okay, so fine. So friends, you know, distance is equals to speed into time. Okay, So Sam, Tom, and John covers a certain distance, same distance. Okay, so distance is fixed. Then speed will become inversely proportional to time. That means if your speed is more, you will take less time. If your speed is less, you will take more time, right? So see, even the concept wise, or if we'll try to think, then both ways it will be same only. So if no speed is 3 is to 4 is to 5, then time will be inversely proportional. That means you just have to inverse it. Now if we try to solve, so 3 4 5, just take the LCM. So in LCM and SCF I have told you, so it will be 3 into 4, 12 into 5, 60. So just multiply by 60 to all values. So just multiply by 60 to all values. So it will be 20 is to 15 is to 12. So 20 is to 15 is to 12. So yes, option B. Here also you can see option B will become the correct answer, right? So work on your concepts, practice more and more problems, then you will be easily able to solve the questions in the TCS exam. Okay, now friends, how to practice? So we have launched crash course on TCS NQT examination, okay, where we have covered aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, and programming. Okay, I will just take 2 minutes of yours, because see, this time TCS is very, very important. Okay, now, so aptitude and numerical ability. So we have covered the basic level of questions, all the concepts. We have covered a lot of problems here. We have also covered the difficult level of the problems. Reasoning, so we have covered 16 concepts video and then practice videos. It is sufficient. Then also, if it is not sufficient, 33 videos has been covered on mock test. Okay, aptitude and reasoning. Verbal ability, we have covered 82 videos. Programming, we have covered 360 videos. The reason is, see, we have covered coding crash course. So here we have covered all the concept which is required for TCS, and NQT programming videos. Here previous year questions we have covered, right? And if somebody is having any issues with C programming, data structure, Java data structure and algorithm using Java, they can go through it. Okay, now, so again for practice also, if you go, then you can see TCS NQT previous year questions also we have covered. And 260 pages fully solved TCS paper we have covered. So fully solved TCS previous year aptitude, reasoning, and coding. So there you will be getting 260 pages. That means more than 500 plus question. Not only this, test series is also available with the aptitude and reasoning simple questions we have given, so that you can practice more. Interview courses, once you crack this TCS, then you can jump to the interview courses, right? So friends, the lot of content, this is more than sufficient, and price is just 650. I am planning to increase it. The link is in description of the video. If you like the classes, go for it. Don't miss this opportunity, friends, and don't be in search of free videos. See, free videos we will be doing on our YouTube, but along with that, you have to keep your preparation. See, all these concepts, whatever I'm discussing, I hope you are able to understand. But if someone is not able to understand, then basic, you have to work on your basics. That's what I'm saying. Next, so next is a data sufficiency question. Okay, so statement will be given and you have to tell if it is sufficient or not. Now, so what is case of weight in case of in a class of 15 boys and 10 girls? Friends, in this kind of question, see, they are not asking you tell me the weight of Keshav, it is 50 kg or 70 kg or 80 kg. That means it is indication to you. You do not have to solve the complete problem. Try to understand. Okay, you just have to find out which statement will give you the answer, and that's where you are done. Okay, now, so statement one. So if you take a statement one, they're telling average weight of 10 girls. See, the first thing is 15 boys are there and 10 girls are there. That means total we have 25 children. Okay, 25 children we have. Now, so statement one says the average weight of 10 girl is 60 kg. What is average formula, sir? So average will be equal to sum divided by number. Average is given 60. Okay, and sum of 10, right? So sum of 10 girls, and number is 10 girls. So from here we can say that the total weight of the girls is nothing but 600, right? Okay, so statement one is not giving you the information that what is the weight of Keshav. So statement one, see, you do not have to calculate this. You do not have to calculate this actually. See, from the statement one, we will come to know. So what is the total? So what is the 10 girls, what is a 10 girls weight? It is total 600, but you do not have to calculate because I need to explain, so each and every person watching this video will be able to understand. Please understand. So the average weight of 25 children. So now they have given total children. So total 25 is there. So total 25, sum will be what? Average. Average is 66 and number is 25. So if we'll try to multiply, so 25 into 6 will be 150. So it will be 1500 and 25 into 6 will be 150. I will teach you the calculation part as well. So it will become 1650. Then, okay, so statement 2 also, we are not able to say that what is the weight of queso. But statement 1 and 2, if we combine, okay, if we combine, what we will get? So total 25 minus 10 girls weight, right? So 1650 minus 600. That means what we will be getting from here is, we will be getting the 15 boys weight. Okay, so we will be getting sum of total 15 boys weight we got from 1 and 2, right? But still we are not able to get the queso weight. Now we will take the third statement. The average weight of 14 boys excluding queso. So excluding queso, so now sum of 14 boys excluding queso we will calculate. So sum will be average into number. Okay, now 14 6 ja, so or 14 7 ja will be 980 and minus 14. So it will be 669, 966. Okay, so sum of 15 boys is 1050 and sum of 14 boys is 966. Queso is not there here. Now if we'll subtract, we will be getting 84, right? 84. So the weight of queso is 84. But hold on, wait. So this is the exact process we calculated, but this was not required. Now, so if you want to solve this question, how easily you would have solved in exam. The average weight of 10 girls is 60. So from here we got total 10 girls weight we got. Now, the average weight of 25 children, total 25 children weight we got. Fine. Now, so if I will subtract 25 minus 10, that means we will be getting 15 boys weight from here. Fine. Now third, the average weight of 14 boys. So 14 boys total weight I got excluding queso. Now they're asking the queso weight. So total 15 we know and 14 we will subtract. So we will be getting the queso weight. No calculation. No calculation. You have to understand. So this is the advantage with data sufficiency problem. First I showed you what will be the exact weight of queso. And then I told you that was not required. So this is how you have to save your time in the examination. Now, question number 5. So if you're not able to read, I will tell you. So Sujata typed a 6-digit number. Okay. So Sujata typed a 6-digit number, but the 26 she typed did not show. That means I am typing 6-digit number. Okay. So I type 6-digit, but 2 numbers is not visible. What numbers was visible? 5005. Okay. 26 which I typed, 26 which I typed, my dear friends, is not visible. Please try to understand. Okay. 26 which I typed is not visible. Only 4-digit is visible. How many different 6-digit number can be there? So here you have to use permutation and combination concept. No problem. You please try to understand. So the 26 now, where all it can come. So I will write like this: 5 0 0 5 this. So see, the 6 no, I can put it here, 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 I can put it here. Somebody, sir, 26 I can put it like this also now, right? Sir, 26. Okay. So you wanted to say that 26 you can put it together. That condition also we will take. So this is the first condition. Now total how many places you have? 1 2 3 4 5. And how many 6 you have? 2. So total 10 different number you can get it from here, like 656005. Okay, like if you put 1 6 here, 1 6 here, so 650605. Please try to understand. See, each and everything has a meaning, has a logic in mathematics. Okay, nothing will happen automatically. Okay, fine. Then, okay, sir. Now, again, my question is same. So, sir, 2-1, if I put it here, 2-6, if I put it here, yes, why not? So you will be having a number 665005. Okay, so 2-6, I will put it here. So 2-6, okay, sorry, so 566005 possible. So that means now you have 5 places, okay, but now these two we are keeping it together. Uh, we have put Febiquick and now 2-6s together. So wherever I will go with 2-6. So wherever I will go with 2-6. So now I have 5 places and I have only one bundle. So it is 5. So 10 plus 5, my dear friends. So total 15. So option B will become the correct answer for this particular problem. I hope you are understanding. Once again, friends, if you are really serious about cracking TCS, then this TCS NQT course. See, if you'll go to Pidgeot store or anywhere, this 500 rupees, no, everyone says, sir, why you are selling the courses at so low price? Because I understand the one who is struggling for a job, right? One who is struggling for a job, for them 500, 600 is also a big amount, right? See, and we will be adding more and more videos. So definitely the price will gradually increase because we will be spending now on the more content for you. So the price will increase. So whatever you are seeing today, it will increase soon. Okay. So get the course, start your preparation before 15th of January. You count the number of video today. Okay. And that day you will be getting say 584 video lectures and 10 tests. So this count you remember, and you will be seeing more count in the future, and definitely the price will also increase. Okay, so if you're really serious about cracking the TCS, we are with you. We will work hard for you. You get this and start your preparation today itself. Now, one more question. So this is from the edges. Okay, so this is from the topic edges. Actual question, all actual question we are doing. So what will be the ratio of ABC? What will be the ratio of ages of ABC after 3 years? Statement 1. Statement 1 says the present average age of ABC is 9 years. So average will be sum, right, divided by number, and average is 9. So ABC we got is 27. Okay. And then A is 3 years younger than B. So A will be B minus 3. So A will be B minus 3. So A is 3 years younger than B, right? So A age is 3 years less than B. This is from my statement 1. Now, from statement 1, can I tell what will be the age of ABC after 3 years? So basically, I have to tell A plus 3 first. I have to find B plus 3, C plus 3, and then I need to calculate the ratio, right? But from here, no, we cannot get that. Now, statement 2, the present average age of the present average age. So average will be sum by number is equals to the present average age of B plus C. Okay, fine. From statement 2, can you find ABC? No, I cannot find. Now what I will do, I will use 1 and 2. I will use 1 and 2. So as soon as I use 1 and 2, I could see A plus B plus C is 27. Put it here. So A plus 27 by 3 is equals to B plus C by 2. So this will be 9 and B plus C is 18. Very good. So we got B plus C is equals to 18. Fine. Now, so this is 1 and this is suppose 3. So 1 minus 3. So if we'll do 1 minus 3, so A plus B plus C minus BC, right? So 27 minus 18. So we will get 9. B cancel, C cancel. A is equals to 9. Very good. So we got the value of A is equals to 9. Okay, now A is equals to 9 is equals to B minus 3. So B will become 12. So B is 12. A is 9, B is 12. Okay, fine. And ABC is 27. So A is, let me take some color. A is 9 and B is 12. So 12 plus 9 is 21. If I will add another 6, it will become 27. So C is 6. Now, so A plus 3. So 9 plus 3, 12. B plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15. 6 plus 3, 9. This ratio we have to calculate. 12 is to 15 is to 9. So 3 4 ja, 3 5 ja, and 3 3 ja. 4 is to 5 is to 3. 4 is to 5 is to 3. Okay. Now, friends, at the end of this class, I wanted to tell you, you don't think sir took so much time to solve this problem. In exam, you will get only 1 minute. See, the reason is I have to explain each and every concept to everyone sitting here, right? Okay. It's not like, I have to understand myself. I have to make sure that even a person watching the video for the first time is able to understand. So if you feel I have stretched the video, I request you to use 1.5x or 2x to watch the video. Now, this is a question from the cubic root, right? So basically, if you'll see, we will be having quadratic equation, right? Quadratic equation, but here we have three roots. So x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equals to 0. See, how many of you think that you will not be able to do this problem in exam? I know many, because many of you are not aware about this, but this kind of problems will not be very tough. Okay. See, the first thing, see here we have three root, right? So here we have three root. Okay. In quadratic equation, we will be having two roots. Now, so the first thing what we will be doing here, you have to do hit and trial. So take one of the value, start with 1 and check. Okay. For which value it will be 0. Let us start with a is equals to 1. So this is a TCS question. You can see the number. So if put a is equals to 1, so 1 cube will be 1, 6 plus 11 minus 6. So 12 minus 12 will be 0. That means 1 is one of the root. So 1 is one of the root. So you can say, sir, x is equals to 1 is one of the root. You can also say x minus 1 is equals to 0 is one of the root. Now, so whatever root you get, okay, from that you need to divide to this cubic equation. Okay, 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Okay, now so just multiply with x square. Practice, few practice is required. And x cube, x into x square is x cube, and here it will be x square. So minus, and this will be plus, cancelled, minus 5x square plus 11x. Okay, now so I will multiply with minus 5x. So x into 5x, so 5x square with minus sign, 5x square and minus minus plus, so it will become 5x. So again sign change, plus minus sign change, because we have to cancel it. This kind of topics we can take in more detail. 6x minus 6. So again multiply with 6. So 6x minus 6. Okay. And then sign change, cancel. Okay. So it will become 0. So with this value, we are able to divide. Friends, see, you have to solve that kind of question which will be asked in the examination. Okay. See, because you have to be in the reality. Now, so x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So we have to find out root. So x square minus 2 into 3 will be 6 and 2 plus 3 will be 5. So I will make one video on quadratic equation itself. Okay, and put in the courses so that it will be easy for you to solve this kind of question. Okay, and sorry, this was 6, and again 3 you take common, so x minus 2 is equals to 0. So x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equals to 0. So the other two roots are 2 and 3. So now I have ABC 3 roots, 1, 2, 3. Now can we solve? Yes. So 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 3. So it is 3 minus 2, 3 into 2 into 1. So it will be 6. Now is there any option? Yes, option C. So that will become the correct answer, right? So always solve actual question. And also I wanted to ask you, so do you want me to start a series like Brahmastra series in terms of topic, or Brahmastra series in terms of mixed question? So please let me know in the comment section and I will take like that. Let us crack TCS together. Thank you.